Happy Wednesday. It is Wednesday, so we're going to do our new rhyme recognition part again. I will help you. I'm going to say 3 words, and you repeat the 2 that rhyme. One of them doesn't rhyme, okay? Had, bid, hid. And you would say bid, hid, because bid and hid rhyme. My turn. Did, bad, dad. And you would say bad, dad. Bad and dad rhyme. Ran, run, bun. Run, bun. Good. Bag, beg, egg. Beg, egg. Cap, cup, pup. Cup, pup. Good job. Okay, onset fluency. I'm going to say the word. You tell me what the word starts with. Episode. Volunteer. Garage. Itchy. Gigantic. Good. Okay, we're blending the body of the word with the coda, which is just the very last sound. So, for example, lump, lump. Your turn. Hunt, hunt. Camp, camp. Apple stuck in my tooth. Band, band. Jump, jump. Okay, isolating the final sounds. I'm going to say the sentence. Every word in the sentence ends with the same sound. Okay? Will Jill still fall? Oh. Pat got wet. Jay may play. A. Liz rides cows. Okay. Now we're segmenting the onset, which is the beginning sound, with the rhyme, which is the rest of the word. Best. Est. Your turn. Bend. End. Shock. Ock. Next. Ext. Land. And. Okay, we're going to add the initial phoneme. Okay, that we're going to add the beginning part. We have the part ix, add f to the beginning to make ix, fix. We have the part ice, add d to the beginning to make dice. We have the part ache, add o to the beginning to make lake. We have the part ill, add w to the beginning to make will. We have the part m, add j to the beginning to make gem. Good. Now we're going to delete, take part of our phoneme away, our initial phoneme. We have the word cape without k. What's left? Ape. We have the word ramp without What's left? Amp. We have the word joke without j. What's left? Oak. We have the word cube without k. What's left? Ube. We have the word bite without b. What's left? Ite. Good job. Okay, we're substituting phonemes, and then we've got our nursery rhyme. We have the word land. Change O to B. What's the word? B and band. We have the word band. Change B to S. What's the word? Sand. We have the word sand. Change S to H. What's the word? Hand. We have the word hand. Change H to T. What's the word? Tanned. We have the word tanned. Change T to O. What's the word? Land. We're back to land. Okay, and today's nursery rhymes. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Her fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Okay, so far this week we did Little Bo Peep, Hickory Dickory Dock, and Mary Had a Little Lamb. I'll see you tomorrow.